The Beelink Mini S13 offers an impressive performance package in a compact design, ideal for professional and office use. Powered by the Intel Jasper Lake N5095 processor, built with the latest 10nm lithography, it features 4 cores and 4 threads, ensuring smooth multitasking across different applications. Whether you're managing spreadsheets, browsing multiple tabs, or running lightweight software, the Mini S handles it with ease and efficiency. Designed for versatility, the Beelink Mini S supports dual display output, allowing you to connect 2 monitors at once for a more productive workspace. It comes equipped with 802.11 AC dual-band Wi-Fi, providing stable and fast wireless connectivity even in environments with high signal interference. The device also offers a rich set of ports, including 4 USB 3.0 ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 Gigabit Ethernet LAN, an audio jack, and a DC power jack, ensuring that all your peripherals and accessories can be connected without hassle. The Mini S goes beyond basic performance with useful features like Wake on LAN, PXE Boot, RTC Wake, and Auto Power On, which can all be easily managed through the BIOS settings. Environmentally conscious users will appreciate its low energy consumption, using less than 1 kilowatt-hour per day, making it a great choice for reducing your carbon footprint. Compact, powerful, and highly efficient, the Beelink Mini S13 proves to be a smart, eco-friendly desktop solution for both home and office setups.